What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today I have for you guys a veritable ND filter from K&F Concept. So this version goes from ND2 all the way to ND32, and this one also fits the 3, the 4, and the 5. So this is the 5, the latest one. And what comes in the box is very simple. You get a cleaning cloth, you get instructions with a QR code, and the instruction comes in many different languages. And then the variable filter comes in this little case right here, and it looks like this. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with ND filters, basically think of it as sunglasses or transition glasses. See, like right now, you can see through it. And if I move it here to where the numbers are, you can see here there's 1 through 5, I believe. There's 5 stops on here. Yeah. So there's 5 stops on here, right? So think of it as transition lenses. When you're indoors, you don't really need, the dark glasses when you're indoors. You want to be able to see. That's why it's transparent. But as you go outside, and let's say the sunlight is not as harsh, you can change this to where it's like this, which is more like a 3. So that's a 3rd stop. So you can't see as clearly through it, right? That's for like sunlight that's not really bright, but it's, it blows out your highlights in the background of your video. Then you can turn it all the way to 32. So now it's dark. You really can't see much through there. So that's what a variable ND filter is. It gives you the option of going from 1 stop to 2 stops, 3 stops, 4 stops, all the way to 5 stops. Okay, and what I mean by stops is that's how strong the strength is that you're changing the numbers to. So that's 5, that's 4, that's 3, that's 2, and there's 1. So we're gonna put this on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. First thing we gotta do is remove this little rubber piece right here. And what I do with it is I'll take them and I'll set them inside this little case, because I'll keep this with me, because there are some situations, especially in low light, there's really no reason to have this on. And then I want to set mine to where this is at the top. So this is just fits right over the top of this, just like so. And now it's on. So now that's 1, because you can see inside, you can see the lens. And again, as you turn it, the lens starts to disappear to where you go all the way to the end. You don't see the lens at all. And when you go all the way back to 1, now you can see inside again. So that's how a variable ND filter works. But you don't have to buy the variable one. You can buy a set. You may see a set being sold as like an ND8, an ND16, 32, 64, so on and so forth. DJI also has them for their drones. And I did a video, a short, on showing you guys the ND filter for my DJI Mini 4 Pro. I also have ND filters for my Mavic Air 2. I don't have one for the Skydio, and I don't have one yet for the Neo. See, that's another one I got to get for, is the Neo. So that'll be the next one. But this is August. I'm going to start my vacation journey, and I'm going to take this camera with me. Now, I just got this filter in the mail, so I don't have any footage yet to share with you guys, but footage will be upcoming. I may go on the roof later today, and shoot a video and show you the strength of this from 2, which is what 1 is, and all the way to 32, which is what 5 is, those 5 stops, and then whatever you need in between, okay? But that's gonna be it for now, guys. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.